isn't audio, that's just my grandma playing. And I'm making pizza.
This is the pizza oven. These are our ingredients for the pizza. Olives, my favorite. Sun-dried tomatoes, salami, roasted capsicum, black olives, and artichokes. We also have different types of cheese and salmon. And more cheese!
Now I'm going to roll this lump of dough. Put the wheat onto the pan so that it doesn't stick.
Go.
Is this a
Semolina.
pan?
Yeah.
What egg is this?
You put the flattened dough onto the pan. And then you spread the pizza sauce.
What do you think I should add on my pizza, kids? Oh, maybe like some salami on my pizza. Salami. Ding. Ding ding.
Now watch.
Ding ding ding. These are the available ingredients. Salami. What's this? Olives. I don't know what that is. Sun-dried. These are the sun-dried bits and olives. A tube. A free. A food. Maybe I could add some cheese. I'll get a handful. Spread it all over thing.
I'll do it.
Maybe it's too heavy. I want to sprinkle around the edge.
What? Now it's ready to be put in the oven for cooking. Ooh, yum! Our pizza making was a success. Let's celebrate!
Hi, I'm now relaxing. Hope you enjoy my video. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope you like